guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you for watching and tuning in. Remember, if you need anything done for your ATVs, side-by-sides, no matter what it is, the only thing I'm not doing is engine rebuilds here right now. So if you need anything, get with me, let me know, and I can help you out if you live in Ohio. Also, for all you CF Moto guys, remember I can get you all your clutch kits and all that stuff, and I can even get you some accessories and stuff like that. So message me on Facebook or send me an email. Facebook is a lot easier for me to keep track of, so if you can, get over there and message me and I'll get you taken care of. Today we're going to replace a hub on a Honda 250 TRX EX. Okay, so we're going to show you how to replace a hub. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We're going to need a 17mm socket, pull off this hub. Alright, now we can get the rim out of the way with the ball tire on it. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. I use wire cutters to come in here and get that up like that. Get that like that. Get that going through there. Then we use the wire cutters again to get it coming off of there. Alright, see that? There we go. Right out of there. You're gonna need an axle nut socket to get this loose. This one was already loose. I'm not even sure what size socket that is anymore. It's wore off. Pull the old hub off. It's got some worn out splines on it. Plus that nut being loose didn't help. The axle looks fine though. Let's get that put on there. That put back in there. You're gonna want to get a new cotter key, put it in there like so, and then do this with it. Bend it up. That's what I do. And then I always take a hammer and there we go. Now we can put our lug nuts back in. There you have it. No more wobbly tire on the 250 EX. Alright guys, there you go. So following my videos will help you save money by doing things yourself. You've seen how easy that was. Yeah, so that was very easy. Now don't get me wrong, I like making money, but this channel is about helping people and helping them save money where they can. So I want to thank you guys for watching this quick short video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.